Okay, thank you, and come back to our PowerPoint videos. Uh, Today we are going to talk about header and footer. Now that we've done the design and we've added some pictures, we are very close to the conclusion of our presentation. Now, to add up our header and footer, then you go to Insert. Of course, under the Insert tab, you look for a group called Text. Under this text, then you will see header and footer. Okay, so if you click on header and footer, it will bring you a dialog box like this one. Okay, here you can choose the type of date that you want to reflect on your footer. So if I click on the date, automatic date, of course, means you want to choose a date that will always change if you open this PowerPoint at any time. Okay, it will always pick the date from the computer system here. Okay, and if I open this presentation tomorrow, the date that will appear on my presentation here is going to be tomorrow's date. It will look as if that day was the day I plan to run that presentation. So it is important, or if you don't want that, you want a fixed date, then you can type a fixed date so that any day or any time you open this, it will always have that type of date. Okay, so here is the slide number, which is the next one you should choose. If I click on this slide number, you will realize that it's going to add a slide number on the right side of the presentations. Okay, the footer itself, I am going to write there about myself. That is the title of my presentation. So I'm going to write there about myself. Okay, the last but not the least, this is a title slide. We do not want our header and footer to apply on this title slide. So to do that, we have to click on Don't Show on Titled Guide slide. So once you check that and apply to all, then all the other slides will have except the title slide. The title slide will not have a header and footer. So if I go to number 2, slide number 2, I have the footer here called About Myself, and then the date is here, 18th August, and you have the slide number 2 here. Okay, slide number 1, of course, was this one, but there was no number there. Okay, then we go to slide number 2, then slide number 3, slide number 4, slide number 5. It goes on like that until you reach at the last slide. Okay, so this is also the end of the video for the header and footer. Please try to apply it as it is shown on this video. I see you next on the on